Hi guys, the much awaited new scheme has been finally announced by ICI on today, 23rd June. Somewhere in the evening or night, it has been announced. So this is a very important video. Watch till the end. So they have given certain dates, which are very important dates for all the existing scheme students, especially if at all you are going to directly register. If you have not at all an existing student, existing scheme student, you need not worry. Fine. So all the existing scheme students have to make certain important observations. So this is an announcement made in the official website of the institute, and yesterday 22nd June in the official gazette of the government of India, the new scheme has been notified, and the effect of it, the Institute of Chartered Accountants also notified the new scheme officially 23rd June, somewhere in the evening or night. Fine. Now you can see here. So many are asking, first and foremost question is, for the upcoming November 2023 exams, which scheme is applicable? Don't worry, existing scheme is applicable for the upcoming November 2023. So you need not even think about new scheme. Now, what about the first exam under the new scheme? Whether you are a foundation student, or whether you are an intermediate student or final student, the first exam is going to be in June 2024 for foundation, and for inter and final student, it is May 2024. Now, the registrations will commence whether you are intermediate student or final student. If you want to plan under the new scheme for May 2024 exam, the registration will commence from 1st July immediately. That is the CA day onwards. Now, coming to one important question which everyone is asking me is the ninth one. The ninth one is something which everyone is asking me. Last date for commencement of 3 years of practical training. What is the last date to register for articles so that you can register under the existing scheme of 3 years? That is 30th June 2023. That is 30th June 2023, which means if, as per the articleship deed, that you register with the principal, if the deed that contains the date of commencement of articles on or before 30th June, then 3 months, 3 years articleship, which means 2 years of uninterrupted practical training as proposed under the new scheme, as going to be implemented under the new scheme. If at all you are registering under the new scheme articleship, or if at all you are registering for articleship from 1st July or afterwards, then for you straight away 2 years logic will apply. Whether you have completed, simple. Suppose you have completed both the groups of CA Inter currently. Suppose you have completed both the groups of CA Inter under the existing scheme. Then only you are eligible to register for articleship from 1st July. You can see the words uninterrupted practical training, which means suppose you have cleared only one group. Let us assume in the November attempt you have cleared one group, and in the May attempt you wrote another group. You are waiting for the result. Suppose in the result it is fortunately positive result and not enrolled for articles by this time. By the way, you have not yet enrolled articles. Like once again clearly, you have already completed November exams last November 2022 and cleared one group and wrote another group recently, or you have not at all cleared both the groups yet. If at all you want to start articleship, you have to complete both the groups as given under the new scheme. Only then you can enroll into the articleship. Another scenario, suppose you already completed one group in the last November, and in the recent May attempt you gave the other group and you're waiting for the result. And you, if at all you did not commence articleship within 30th June, then you need to wait until you qualify the pending group. Getting it? Only then you are eligible to register. Third category, suppose you already cleared both the groups and just that you somehow, because of some reasons, you have not yet registered for articleship. Register before 30th June for 3 years, old scheme. If at all you couldn't register within 30th June, from 1st July, 2 years logic will apply. 2 years rule will apply. Getting it? So that is the important thing that you need to make an observation. So once again, let me sum up. If at all by 30th June, if you do not register for articleship, by 30th June of this 30th June 2023, if you do not register for articleship, from 1st July, if you want to register for articleship, the precondition is both the groups of CA intermediate must be completed. Otherwise, with effect from 1st July, you cannot enroll for articleship without completion of both the groups of CA inter. So make a note. Remember, here many students will have this doubt. Sir, what do you mean by 1st July, 30th June? Suppose example, Tomorrow I went to a new CA office and I went and spoke and I immediately registered. I immediately joined in that firm for articles and immediately took a leave. Getting it? Um, or else let us ignore this. Let us ignore this. I'll come up with a separate video on this particular articleship, how to manage all this within the next 1 or 2 days itself. So this is the rule right now. So right now the rule is, if articleship commencement date is on or before 30th June, 3 years. If articleship commencement date is on or after 1st July, 2 years, provided you have completed both the groups of CA. That's it. Now, for foundation students, the last date for you to register under the existing scheme is 1st July. And for intermediate and final student, 30th June is the last date, so that you can register under the existing scheme. There are some article students who are pursuing articleship right now, but not yet registered for CA final. If at all you want to write in CA final new scheme, register after 1st July onwards. Okay. So that's it. These are the important dates. Whatever I've highlighted here, these are the important dates that you need to know down. Now, so what is the new scheme at a glance? Like suppose if at all you're a foundation student, so you need to register with Board of Studies Icai after passing class 10. So 10th level, if you qualify 10th exam, immediately you can register. Then you can appear in the June exam after completion of 4 months and after appearing in class 12, which means you can register in foundation immediately after your 10th standard. But in order to write CA foundation exam, after registration, you have to wait for 4 months. And moreover, class 12 examination should also be completed. And another thing, then immediately after that, you can come for intermediate course. And there is another route for intermediate. That is, one route is foundation route, which I told right now. Another route is direct entry. So direct entry is same like earlier scheme. Okay. Now once you register for intermediate, 8 months you need to take a gap. After completion of 8 months, whatever the attempt that comes, immediately you can write. And remember, after completing this intermediate, both the groups, and after completing the ITT and orientation, all that, then only you can start 2 years of articleship. Remember, you have to pass both the groups of intermediate in order to enroll for articleship. Right now, what is there? Even if you are a direct entry student, you need to complete both the groups of CA Inter and complete ITT and orientation, and then only you can enroll for articleship. Until previous existing scheme, what is there? Once you enter into direct entry, immediately you can start articles. Parallel you can start. Even if at all you are a foundation route, even if you clear single group, you can enter into articleship, and parallel you can complete the other group. But now such an option is not there. And remember, if at all you are an existing student, completed only single group, and by 30th June, if at all you are unable to register for articleship under the existing scheme, under new scheme, you can only register for articleship only after completion of 2 groups. I'm repeatedly saying this because you need to understand the impact clearly. Then complete 2 years of practical training, qualify self-paced online modules, then complete advanced ITT, all that. Then 6 months after completion of practical training, 6 months gap is required minimum again. Only after 6 months you can write CA final examination. And once you qualify both the groups of final, you can apply for the membership of the ICA. Detailed video related to new scheme will be released soon once ICA gives all other notifications and all in this regard. Okay, have a nice time. All the very best.